Welcome to Stick Shift Hot Wheels. Today I have an unboxing of some vintage Hot Wheels playsets from 1989 and 1990. They are some Hot Wheels Pop and Play playsets. First of all, to whet your appetite, we have some of the accessories. And if you know your Hot Wheels playsets from the 90s, you will know which playsets are coming. Dun dun dun. Oh yeah. And these appear to be packed very nicely. And this first one is part of a car dealership, I believe. Looks like there is a car dealership. It's just folded up. And this is actually a playset that I already own. So having two of them is very cool. Maybe I'll make a custom out of it. I haven't really decided. So it folds out like this. Attaches like so. There we go. Boom. Awesome. Has this fold out ramp here. Cars drive up. A couple pieces missing. It should be in the bag here. Let's see, we've got air compressor. We've got Hot Wheels sign. Engine bay. Sign for here. Folds up. And there's supposed to be more of these. They go over here. Missing. Stopper. That's not bad. That's reasonably complete. And these have been going for a fair amount of money. Still in the package. This one appears to be in really good condition. Maybe better condition than my first one. That's pretty awesome. Okay. Very, very cool. Staying on that theme, the next one that I have is basically the same playset, except I think it's a helicopter port. So we'll see how this is. This is a playset I've never had, and wow, this is amazing. It looks like this playset is in very, very good shape. This is friggin' awesome. Okay. Folds out. Oh, it's different. There's a garage here. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then attach back support piece. Can do this without breaking anything. Oh, this is awesome. And then I believe these pieces go together. Duh. All right, we'll figure this out as we go, okay? Because I don't really know. At least I don't think you know. I don't know. If you don't know, I don't know. And then this goes here. Very cool. All right, let's check our handy dandy bag. I really didn't even do any research to see what pieces go where, so I'm just winging this. Haha, winging it. Get it? After doing some research, it looks like this Hot Wheels City Airport playset is going for quite the hefty sum new in the box. Unfortunately, I'm missing many of the accessories. Missing is the tractor and baggage, as well as the Hot Wheels helicopter, and I'm also missing the black track connect pieces, which is really unfortunate. I'm not about to pay $60 for this playset. I have the main meat and potatoes of the playset. The wind flag mounting point has also completely been broken off, which is really unfortunate because the windsock is really a cool detail. I love looking at this old Hot Wheels packaging. You can really get a sense of what the Hot Wheels designers really wanted you to do with the playsets. This is really awesome to see this playset being played with in conjunction with the pop-in plays that I'm also reviewing. So that also confirms my suspicion that all of these sets are meant to be played with together. Love this awesome connecting roadway. And we'll see where we come to. Okay, that. Oh, there's this detent here. Interesting. Wow, it was really stubborn for some reason. Like no one's ever even pulled it out before. Oh, that's cool. So there is some differences. Okay, something goes here and something goes there. And I think there's a sign that goes there. But I'm not really sure what. This goes to the pop and play. Okay, we're making headway. Since I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, now on to the pop and play. Here we go, baby. The reason I bought the lot. Oh yes. Here we go. This is hospital. Now the listing that I bought this from, all the pop and plays were like this, and it was an overhead shot. So I took a huge risk. I had no idea what the quality of these pop and plays were, but holy shit. It is clear that a collector owned this. These are absolutely mint condition. These are in better shape than the ones I had as a kid, even though mine had some damage. Damn, these are like absolutely friggin' mint. I got a hell of a deal on these. Oh yes, my gut is good. Yeah, baby, so pumped, so pumped. All right, next up, we've got the next two, which appear to be the police station with Flipper. Oh yes, it's mint, baby. Yeah, check that out. It is awesome. Okay, well it's not 100% mint, but that's pretty close to mint. I'll take it. Not bad. Not bad at all. A little bit of glue on that and that will be perfect. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Number 3, it's hamburgers. Yes, it is the burger stand. with the most strange garage door that are actually supposed to be a door for people. Oh, that's interesting. The detent on this is like almost non-existent. Like maybe it's not even supposed to open or just, okay, it's supposed to be like that. That's interesting, it sticks out. Very, very cool, awesome. Check out the burger stand. Now, obviously, or maybe not obviously, none of this lot came with the vehicles that are supposed to come with this, so that's a little unfortunate, but these are absolutely mint, and I was planning on making customs out of all of these, but now that I see how mint condition they are, I'm not so sure I'm going to do that now. Okay, the last two, here we go. It is the drive-in bank. Yeah, baby, it's friggin' mint. And wow, this gold door is awesome. So cool. It's got the flip up, and because it's the bank, it has a special feature, the drive up teller window. Oh, that is just, let me back out just a hair here. We've got so much going on. Look at that. That's awesome. Yes, I'm this excited about these toys because nostalgia is one hell of a goddamn drug. I'm telling you that. Last but not least, we have the mini market. Oh yes. Oh. Careful, does it? Careful, careful. Pop it up. Oh yeah, check it out. The mini market. It is awesome. Yes. Oh, yes. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, and now we have the accessories. For the burger stand, we have this nice little signage here, and I believe it just clips on in like so, slides on in. Man, I had to tell you, Hot Wheels was super resourceful using these little clips and having to do so many things. That is awesome. Oh, did you hear that? Huh, it snaps in so it doesn't go anywhere. Wow. I mean, I knew Hot Wheels thought of everything, but damn, that is cool. Next up, we've got the self-service for the gas station, which I believe goes to the mini market here. Oh my god, it covers the friggin', it covers the little clips. That is, oh, genius. Absolutely genius. Stick that back down and bam, good to go. Okay. Oh, these are so awesome. Would these go with the heliport? Oh, I'm piecing it together. These little holes here, maybe they go right here. Okay. And I believe One of these goes to the hospital. Boom. That makes sense, so the ambulance can get out quick. I want to say these have to go with this has to go with that, but I don't know if that's true. And this I've never seen before. I'm gonna have to do some research. Anyways, this was an amazing lot. Each of these pop and plays was $10 each, which I think is a pretty good deal considering they're hard to find, and normally when you find one, it's $30 in the package brand new, plus $10 shipping, sometimes even more. Yes, each of these is supposed to come with a vehicle, but that's not a huge deal to me. I can always get the vehicles separately because they were the same as regular cars for the most part. They look absolutely awesome. I'm amazed at their condition. I mean, it was a bird's eye view photograph that was in the listing, and I was afraid that the condition was going to be totally chewed up. Especially these stickers on this inside, when you slide them up and down, they can easily get chewed from being played with too much. So this is absolutely fantastic. I think I got one heck of a screaming deal. This is in pretty much mint condition. My gut did well. Every once in a while, you'll find a really nice lot on eBay, and that's what this is. Just a good find. Wasn't ridiculously expensive. Clearly, these were all lovingly cared for by a collector because they're in mint condition. And all these pop and plays are from 1989 and 1990. So that is very vintage. Look for videos on each one of these pop and plays coming soon. I'm going to do a full review, a walk around, how they work, what they do, what their features are. Some of them, like this one, have awesome special features. If you like this video, check out my Hot Wheels YouTube channel, Stick Shift Hot Wheels, for more vintage playset reviews. And consider subscribing and liking my Instagram page. Have a great day.